That's what I want to hear.
She told you, honey, I know she told you that she loved you much more than I ever did. But all I know is that she left you, and you swear that you just don't know why. But you know, honey, I'll always be around if you ever need me, baby. Come on and cry, baby. Cry, baby. Honey, welcome back home. Don't you know, honey, ain't nobody ever gonna love you the way I tried to do. Who'll take all your pain and your heartache too. If you need me, I'll always be around. So come on, come on, come on, come on, come on and cry, baby.
Little Miss Louisiana.
Hello, hello.
We've just always been such a big fan of your whole thing that you have going on.
Thank you.
And a great song choice, in my opinion, for you. And I've missed that back phrase vibrato thing. I've missed it. I mean, it's your signature thing, and I love the performance. It was great. It was great.
Thank you so much.
I want to say this to you and to all of the alumni coming back in. To make it to this point, you've already won. You have certain wonderful characteristics. In your case, it's your vibrato, it's your stage performance, it's your whole sound. And just because it's not number 1 or number 3 or number 8 or number 10, that means nothing. The fact is, right now, the fact that you came back to grace us with being one of our favorites is the best thing that ever happened. Welcome back.
Thank you so
to this
much.
wonderful stage.
Happy to be back.
I think one of the biggest notes from last season was to figure out a real balance with your voice. That, like, instant identifiable vibrato sometimes was too saucy.
Yes.
It was like too much salt in the food, you know? You couldn't even taste the other flavors. I think what you just showed us tonight was balance. I think you actually took that note from season 3 and you put a little iron on some of those notes, so I really appreciated it.
Thank you so much.
You worked.
And thinking back last season, it was a last-minute change in your song choice, wasn't it? That had that lyric loss issue.
Yes, I forgot.
We're not doing that this time, right?
We did it. We survived.
Bobby, she is who she is. She's authentic. Important for an artist, isn't it?
She is authentic. We know exactly who you are when you start singing. First of all, you remember the words. Love that. Secondly, I had my hand up like Mount Pine Baptist Church when I was a kid. Like I was just feeling it when you were singing it.
Amen.
Like it was right in here. So you continue being you here or anywhere else you go. Nice job.
Thank you. Thank all of you. Happy to be back.